Hello children, this is 4th standard maths, chapter name is fractions. Now here C main, write in ascending order using symbol, greater symbol, that is our. Now D main, arrange in descending order using the symbol greater. So smaller, by using ascending order we have to write smaller symbol. Ascending order means smaller number to greater, it's like a climbing step. Now here arrange in descending order using the symbol greater, means greater numbers to smaller one. Greater first, then next smaller, smaller one. For example, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, like that. Okay, decreasing value. Descending order means decreasing. The number value is decreasing. Ascending means increasing value. By going climbing step, the values are increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Increasing value. Descending means it is a decreasing value. Of 10, 9, 8, 7, like that, decreasing value. Now here we have to write in fraction. We can write in natural number, whole number very easily, but in fraction means only like fraction we can arrange directly. If like fractions are given means we can arrange the fractions directly. Here this is denominator a different number, unlike fraction. This is also a different number, unlike. This is also unlike fraction. All are unlike fraction because the denominator are different numbers. Now here arrange in descending order using the symbol greater. So here this is a unlike fraction. To convert into like fraction means first step we have to find the LCM of the denominator 12, 6, 8. After finding LCM, then we have to take one fraction, then equalize into LCM value. So first write the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 12, 6 and 8. 12, 6 and 8. Both common factors are here 2. It will divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then we can try 3 here. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 4 has it is because it will not multiply or divide with 3 ones are tables. And 2 and 4 will divide with 2 ones are table. 2 ones are 2, 1 has it is, 2 2s are 4. Again we have to try with 2, 1 has it is, 1 has it is, 2 ones are 2. So LCM is here now. LCM is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. LCM is 24. LCM value is 24. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now write the fractions. Each fraction 5 by 12, 1 by 6, 3 by 8. Now equalize the denominator into LCM value. Now here what is the denominator? What we have to write here? We have to write the denominator 24 here. 24, 24. Because LCM value, LCM is 24, so all are 24. Like fraction means denominator are same. When the denominator are same, then it become the like fraction. So write the LCM value in denominator. Now equalize into denominator. First denominator we have to check. 12 how much are 24, not numerator. First always we have to check with the denominator. 12 how much are 24, 12 2s are 24, same number we have to multiply up. 6 how much are 24, 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24, same 4 we have to write multiply half. 8 how much are 24, 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. Now multiply 5 2s are 10, 12 2s are 24 or already written, 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24 already written, 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24 already written. Now we have to write in descending order. Descending order. So descending order means greater number to smaller one. Descending order means greater number to smaller one, which is a greater 10, 4, 9. 10 is a greater. 10 means it is the actual value of 5 by 2, 5 by 12. And which symbol we have to write? Greater symbol here. It is mentioned in the question. Then next decreasing value. Descending means decreasing value 10 over. Next decreasing is 9 by 24. 9 means 3 by 8. Then come last smallest one 4 by 24. 4 by 24 means that is 1 by 6. So here descending order is 5 by 12, 3 by 8 and 1 by 6. Now second question. 5 by 7, 11 by 24, 9 by 14. We can't write the fraction directly in a descending order because it is unlike fraction. Denominator different number. So first step we have to convert into same denominator. So find the LCM. LCM of denominators 7, 21 and 14. 7, 21 and 14. So 7 here, 21 here, 14. Both will multiply with 7 on the table. 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 24, 21, 7 2s are 14. And 3 will multiply 3 ones are table, 1 has it is, 3 ones are 3, 2 has it is. Then 2 will multiply 2 ones are table, 1 has it is, 1 has it is, 2 ones are 2. Now LCM is 7 into 3 into 2. 7 into 3 into 2. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 42. Okay, LCM is 21. Now write the each fraction 5 by 7, 11 by 21 and 9 by 14 and equalize into denominator value, LCM value. So denominator here we have to write the LCM. What is LCM? 42. First write the denominator 42, then equalize the fraction into denominator value. Now we have to check the denominator first. So we have to equalize first denominator. 7 how much are 42? 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 40. Same number we have to shift to numerator, otherwise they will fight. 21 2s are 42. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. 21 2s are 42. Same number we have to multiply up. So first we have to equalize denominator first. 14 how? First we have to equalize denominator. Now here 14 3s are 42. Same 3 we have to multiply up. Now multiply here, 5 6 are 30, 11 2s are 22. Now here, that is over, 11 2s are 22, then 9 3s are 27. Now we have to write the descending order. So here, descending order. Descending means greater to smaller, which is a greater one, 30. 30 means 5 by 7. 30 means 5 by 7 because all are like fractions, 42, 42, 42. When the denominator is same number, then it becomes the like fraction. Then 30 over, the next decreasing way is 27 by 42. That means, that means 9 by 14. Then next decreasing is 22. 22 means decreasing way we have to write 30, then 27, 22. 22 by 42 means 11 by 21. 5 by 7, 9 by 14, 11 by 21 is a descending order. Now here third question, 7 by 16, 9 by 32, 5 by 8. So here this is not a like fraction, so we have to find the LCM of denominator 16, 32, 8. So LCM of denominator 16, 32, 8 is 8 into 2 into 2. So 8 into 2 into 2 is 32. It was a 16, 16 2 is a 32. Then write the fractions 7 by 16, 9 by 32 and 5 by 8. Now denominator we have to write first, that is LCM value. Write the LCM has a denominator. Denominator has LCM. Now we have to check. 16 how much are 32? 16 2s are 32. 32 how much are 32? 32 1s are 32. 8 how much are 32? 8 4s are 32. Okay. So the 16 2s are 32 means if denominator 2 means here also we have to multiply numerator 2. Here denominator you multiply with 1 means numerator also you have to multiply with 1. Denominator you multiply with 4 means numerator also you have to multiply with 4. Now 7 2s are 14 and here 9 1s are 9. 16 2s are 32 already written, 9 1s are 9, 32. 5 4s are 20. 8 4s are 32. Now we have to write the descending order. Descending order means greatest and smaller one and smaller one. So decreasing way we have to write. So which is a greater one? This 20 by 32. 20 by 32 means that is actually which number? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Then next greater is 14, decreasing. 14 by 32 means that is 7 by 16. 7 by 16. Then last least one, a smaller one, 9 by 32 means that is same one, 9 by 32 only. Oh, Now fourth question, 7 by 10, 17 by 20, 23 by 30. This is not a like fraction because denominator different value. So find the LCM of 10, 20, 30. LCM of 10, 20, 30 is 10 into 2 into 3 we have to multiply. That is 10 2 is 20, 23 is 60. Now write the fraction 7 by 10, 17 by 20, 23 by 30. Now write the denominator as LCM value. What is LCM value? 60. So that become the common denominator. Same denominator. Now here we have to equalize the denominator. 10 how much are? Check the tables. 10 how much are? 60. 10 6 are 60. Same number we have to multiply up. 20 how much are? 60. 23 is a 2 3s are 6, no? 2 3s are 6. At the same way 2 23s are 60. Okay, same number you have to multiply up. 30 how much are? 60. 3 2s are 6. Same number you have to multiply up. Now we have to multiply and write. 7 6 are 42. 17 3s are 51. And 23 2s are 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 46. Now descending order, which is the greater one in this, which is greatest 51. So decreasing way how to write? 51 by 60 is a greater. So it means 17 by 20. Then next is 46, decreasing way, no? Decreasing way we have to write. Greater one we have to write first. Then decreasing way. 46 by 60 it means 23 by 30. Then next is 42 by 60 means it is 7 by 10. Now fifth question, 2 by 5, 17, 7 by 50, 19 by 30 is there. So we have to find the LCM of denominator because this is not like fraction, different numbers. So LCM is 150. Now write the LCM in here. Write the fraction, same fraction once again here. Then 150, 150, 150 what? Now here 5 how much is 150? 5 3 is 530 is 150. 530 is 150. Same number we have to multiply hub. 530 is 150. Same number we have to multiply hub. 15 how much 150? 15 tens are same number we have to multiply hub. 30 how much 150? 30 5s are okay. 35 5 0 0 5 3 is 15. Same number we have to multiply hub. Now 2 into 30, 2 3s are 6, so 60. 7 into 10 is 70. Now we have to write descending order. 19 5s are 95. Descending order means which is greater one, this 95 is a greatest. 95 by 150 means it means 19 by 30. Then decreasing way we have to write 70. 70 means it is actually 7 by 15. Then again 60 means it become 2 by 5. Now sixth question, 5 by 6, 7 by 12, 13 by 14. So we have to find the LCM of the 6, 12, 14. So LCM is 84. Then write the fraction once again here. Now write the LCM value down. LCM is how much? 6, 84. 84, 84. Now here we have to check the tables. 6 how much is 84? 6 how much is 84? 14 6. So 14 6 same number we have to multiply half. 12 how much is 84? 12 7 is 84. Same number we have to multiply half. 4 how much is 84? 420. 421. Same number we have to multiply up. Now here 5 into 14. So 14 5s are 70. 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49. 13 into 21. 13 into 21 is 273. Now we have to write the ascending order. Ascending order means which is a greater one, 273 means that is 13 by 4. 13 by 4 is a 13 by 4. Okay. So here mistake is 13 by 14, what I written here 4, okay. So it means it is 14 6. So here one mistake I did here. That is 14 means it will change. So here this is 14 question. I written only 4. So 14 6 84. Same 6 we have to multiply up. Okay, now same 6 we have to multiply up. Here then it will become 78. 78 14 6 84. Okay, now which is a greater one. So here sixth question, once again I am trying here. Find the LCM of 6, 12 and 24. 6, 12 and 24. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now here 4s are 2 and 1 as it, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and this will come 1 as it is, 1 as is, 2 1s are 2. Now LCM is 6 into 2 into 2. 6 into 2 into 2. 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. LCM is 24. Now we have to write the fraction once again. 5 by 6, 7 by 12 and 13 by 24. Okay. Now write the LCM 24. Now here also we have to write the LCM value only. Same sixth one question, because here question is 24. We written 14 there. So that is a mistake. So once again I am trying here. Now let's equalize the LCM value. 6 how much are 24? 6 how much are 24? 6 4s are 24. Same 4 we have to multiply up. 12 how much are 24? 12 2s are 24. Same 2 we have to multiply here. 24 how much are 24? 24 1s are 24. So same 1 we have to multiply up. Now here 5 4s are 20. 7 2s are 14. 13 1s are 30. Now we have to write in a descending order. So descending order means decreasing way. Descending order, which is the greatest 20. 14 13 20. So 20 means it is actually 5 by 6. Then next is decreasing 14. 14 means 7 by 12. Descending way we have to write. Then next 13, least one, means same thing, 13 by 24. So that is the descending order. Now seventh question, 1 by 9, 1 by 18, 1 by 12. So here once again I will check the question. If the question is 1 by 9, 1 by 18, 1 by 12, yes. Now we have to find the LCM of 9, 18, 12. Then LCM is 108. Now write the LCM 108 here. 108 LCM value. Okay, 9 into 6. So after that 9. Now we have to check the tables. So here 9 how much is 108? 12 9s are 108. So same 12 we can write there. Then 18 6 are 108. 18 how much is 108 means 18 6 are. 12 how much is 108 means 9s are. So same thing we have to write numerator. Sorry. Now 1 12s are 12 into 1 6 are 6. Then 1 into 1 6 are 6. Now we have to write in descending order. Descending order means decreasing way we have to write. Decreasing way. Which is a greater one? 12. 12 means it is 1 by 9. The next decreasing is both are 6 6. Any one thing we can write. So sorry, here 9s are 1 9s are 9. So 1 by 12 is next value. Next value is 9 by 8 is 100. So that means 1 by 12. The next is 6 is 12 9 6. No decreasing way we have to write. Next is 6 means that is 1 by 18. Actual value, this value we have to write properly. Now 8th question, 10 by 11, 19 by 22, 19 by 33. This is not a like fraction. So find the LCM of 11, 22, 33. That is 66 after finding. Then write this fraction once again here. Then write the LCM has denominator 66, 66 and 66. Now we have to check the tables. 11 how much are 66? 11 6 are 66. Same number we have to multiply up. 2 how much are 22? How much are 6? 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are. So 23, 22 3s are. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So same number we have to multiply up. 33 how much are 3 2s are 6. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are same number we have to multiply up. Now here 10 into 6, 10 6 is 60. Then 19 into 3, 19 3 is 57. Then 19 into 2, 19 2 is 38. Now we have to write in descending order. Descending order means which is greatest from the 60 is greater. The first 60, then 57, 38. It is written in a descending order only. So here 60 by 66 means it is 10 by 11. Then 57 by 66 means that is 19 by 22. The next 38 by 66 means that is 19 by 33. That is a descending order. Now next is exercise 8.10. First aim in write each as division sums. So here we have to write each as division sums. 8.8. Write each as division sums means we have to express as division value. Very easy. 3 by 12 means 3 divided by 12. No. Then 18 by 24 means answer is 18 divided by 24. Just we have to express as a division sum. 19 by 5 means 19 divided by 5. 0 by 5 means 0 divided by 5. Fraction means division. Now write each as write each as a fraction. So 5 divided by 7 means 5 is a numerator, 7 become denominator. So 5 by 7, very easy. 1 divided by 2 means 1 by 2. Then 10 divided by 15. 10 divided by 15 means how to write 10 by 15. 12 divided by 3 means 12 by 3. That's it. Now exercise 8.9. Solve amen. So here plus symbol is given. When only like fraction we can add or so if all are we can try here itself, textbook itself. Children. Because very simple. And if like fraction means we can try directly. We can write the answer directly. Now here when like fraction is given then we can write the answer directly. So here 7 denominator, like fraction means denominator should be same. Only like fraction we can add or subtract directly. If it is not a like fraction means unlike fraction. First we have to convert into like fraction, then we have to try. So here 7 7, here 9 11 21 5 11 18 25. So all are like fraction because denominator is same. So write the denominator same 7, then add the numerator. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 7. So here first write the denominator 9. Then because it is a like fraction 1 plus 5 is 6. Here write the denominator 11. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. Here also write the denominator 21. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 5 don't add the denominator. Like denominator is 5. So write the same 5. You should not add 7 plus 7 14. Denominator should be same. Okay, we have to write the same denominator. Then unlike numbers, numerator we have to write 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 by 5. So like fraction 11 denominator write down first. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 18 is a common. Write the 18. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 15 is common, 25 is common, so 25 write on. 6 plus 6 is 12, or 6 plus 2 is 7, 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, or 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So answer is, first question 3 by 7, 6 by 9, 9 by 11, 2 by 21, 6 by 5, 8 by 11, 9 by 18 and 14 by 25. Now B main we can't write here in textbook because this is add, same here, plus symbol we did. This is a like fraction, so we did directly. Here unlike some ways, unlike fractions are, no, all are like fraction. So here 3 plus 5 and is given, so in between we have to write 5 plus and we can try the answer. Now B main, A main already we tried in textbook. Now 3 by 5. 3 by 5 and 1 by 5 means 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. These are like fractions, so write the 5 as it is, and 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 5 is the answer. So 8 by 21 plus 9 by 21. 8 like fraction because denominator are same. So we can write the answer directly. Write the denominator first, 21. 9 plus 8 is 17. Answer is 17 by 21. Now next third question, 8 by 17 and 4 by 17. So 9 by 17 and 4 by 17. Like fraction, denominator are same. So write the same denominator 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now next question, 3 by 7, 11 and 7 by 11. Like fraction, so write 11. 3 plus 7 is 10. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Now next, 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Addition, no? Add the given. So in between plus symbol. So common 7 we have to write down. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Answer is 6 by 7. Next, 1 by 13 plus 5 by 13 plus 6 by 13. Common 13 we have to write. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 by 13 is the answer. Seventh one, 4 by 35 plus 6 by 35 plus 8 by 35. Common is 35. Write down that common. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 by 35. This is the answer. Now 8th question, 1 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 2 by 11. 11. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 9, 10. 10 by 11. Now next, here B main, exercise 8.10. A main, solve 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Subtraction, actual subtraction only. But we have only like fraction only, we can directly write the answer. Because here denominator 5, 5, here 7, 7, 11, 11, 9, 9. So these are like fractions. Here also 21, 21, 25, 25, 14, 14, 8, 8. When the same denominator, then the fraction is a like fraction. So it is easy to find addition and subtraction. So 5, common 5, we have to write 5 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 1 by 5. Then here 7 common, that we have to write here. 6 minus 2 we have to subtract numerator. That is 4. 4 by 7. Common 11 we have to write. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 11. Common 9 we have to write. 5 minus 2 is 3. Common 21 we have to write. 6 minus 3 is 3. Common 25 we have to write. 20 minus 5 is 15. Common 14, that we have to write. 14. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8, 9. 2 by 14. Common 8 we have to write. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is the answer. Now B means subtract 3 by 11 from 8 by 11. So from which is given, that we have to write first 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. What is given in from, that we have to write first 11. Common 11, so we have to write 11. 8 minus 3 is 5, because this is like fraction. Only like fraction we can do it directly. Addition or subtraction we can try directly. Otherwise, if unlike fraction is given, means we have to convert into like fraction, then we have to try it. So 2 by 9, 5 by 9, both are like fraction from. So that we have to write first. So 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So common is 9 only, denominator. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 9 is the answer. Now third question, 9 by 13 from 11 by 13. So from which is given, that we have to write first 11 by 13. So 11 by 13 minus 9 by 13 equal, 13 is common here. 13 is common. Now 13 is common, so write the 13. Then 11 minus 9 is 10, 11. 2 by 13. 16 by 33 from 28 by 33. So 28 by 33 we have to write first, minus 16 by 33. So common 33, the denominator that we have to write. This will be the answer. Now 16 minus 28, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. How much? 16 minus 8 minus 6, 18 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 12. 12 by 33. Next 31 by 99 from 49 by 99. So from which is given, that we have to write and check denominator are same. So then only we can try directly. Minus 31 by 99. So answer, which is common denominator 99, that we have to write common denominator. Then 49 minus 31. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. 18 by 99. 15 by 26 and 21 by 26 like fraction. So from which is given, that we have to write first minus 15 by 26. So here 26 we have to write. 11 minus 5 is 6. So here 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 by 26. Now 7 by 51 from 23 by 15. So from which is given, that we have to write first 51 like fraction. Okay, then only we can try directly. And then this one. Write the common 51. 23 minus 7. 23 minus 7 means 13 minus 7 means 6. 6, 6, 12, 13. Then here 1. 16. 16 minus by 51 is the answer. So from which is given, that we have to write 12 by 13 minus 6 by 13, because it is a subtraction sum. Then common, which is 13 is a common. So 13. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 by 13. Now next is exercise 8.11. Add 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6.